Fala galera, welcome back to another video. It's Nadina here, for those who don't know. And today I am here to show you guys how I disposed my organic waste. So if you don't know me, if you're not familiar with the channel, I am a vegan zero waste college student. If you don't know what zero waste means, I highly recommend to check this video out and subscribe to the channel. I talk a lot about travel tips and sustainability. So if you're interested in those subjects, it will mean so much to me if you subscribe and hit the like button. It helps me so much, and let's grow this community. So I rent a room in someone else's apartment, but we separate our waste because I don't produce literally, I think anyways, I haven't produced in a while, only compost. And this is my kind of like a jar. I know it's plastic, but I am reusing. So that's the thing, we should refuse plastic, but when we can't, this was a peanut butter jar. This is such a good peanut butter. I love this thing. So I'm repurposing the jar to store my week's waste. It's like 1 to 2 weeks that I keep this material in my fridge, and then when it's full, so now it's exploding, I'm gonna show you guys what I do. And it doesn't matter that it is plastic. After all, if I can keep repurposing this and keep it from ending up in the landfill, I am doing my part, and this is like what zero waste is all about. So as I was saying, I rent a room in an apartment, so it's kind of hard. I had to thought a lot about what am I gonna do with the compostable waste. And here it's the ground part of the building, so we have like a green area over here, and we have I am gonna show you, this is so cute. I have like mandarins over there. Sometimes I get like up in the tree and get some, so it's pretty cool. So we have a lot of earth here, and what I do is I dig a hole. So this is the hole that I dug last time, and after that I throw all the organic waste in the hole, and I cover it with the leaves. So there are a lot of leaves over here because there are a lot of plants, and this way I stop this great material to end up in a landfill. Because when you throw away good material as the peels of the vegetables and tea leaves and stuff, you don't give a chance for the material to compost. So when it composts, it creates such a rich soil, and it's basically like throwing this material into the cycle again. So this is like the circle of life. So the plant grows, we get use of it. So for example, a mandarin, we eat it, and then the peel goes to the soil and it gives nutrients for the tree to grow more and to get more mandarins. And this is what we want. What we don't want is to throw this material into the plastic bags that go to the landfill and then they rot there, so we lose a lot of nutrients. And a lot of times this great material, as it's not in good conditions to provide those nutrients, it ends up leaking like toxic gases into the atmosphere and around. So it's just like a mess, and this is not what we want. What we do want is to create a fertile soil and repurpose this organic material. So I'm digging the hole now, and I just wanted to show you other organic materials that there is inside my little bucket. I used to have a lot of banana peels. I can't live without bananas. My hands are dirty. I love bananas so much, and I realized that there was a lot of banana peels inside the jar. Like, it was so much, and I kept thinking, like, there has to be something that I can do to keep those banana peels away from the jar. Like, is there something I can do, like, to eat? And then I came across an awesome recipe that was, I don't know what it's called in English, but it's kind of like, it looks like meat, but it's made out of banana peels. So I started eating that, and maybe I'll do a video about the like how to prepare this dish. Is super delicious, and the banana peels are so nutritious. So I do that every week. I can't imagine now my life without this recipe. Like, it's incorporated in my weekly menu, and I am so happy I discovered that, because now I get to eat a delicious meal every week, and I also don't have banana peels on my jar, and it's so very nutritious. So everything that I can do to keep even the organic materials, to keep them from coming to the compost bin. It's not a bin, it's a hole, but I will show you the bin when I get to Brazil. So I am in Greece right now, for those who don't know, and this is how I do the system in Greece. But in Brazil I have a composter, and I will show you guys what I do. That it should be a fun video. So yeah, so I always try to keep those materials away from it, like, and into my body, because they are so nutritious, and I do the best that I can. So now I'm gonna show you all the materials. So yeah, I drink a lot of tea, and I buy my tea in bulk. So there's a lot of like tea leaves and a lot of orange peels as well. This is like the piece of the banana that I can't eat. This is from cabbage, and mostly they're like tea leaves. I drink a lot of tea, especially now that it's winter. And yeah, so you can see this is a mango seed. No, it's not a seed. I don't know the name of this, but it's what is inside the mango. And mango peels. So you can see, like, this is my compost waste. I'm so excited about that. So now I'm gonna dig the hole, and I'll show you guys later. So this is the result. I put a lot of leaves on top of it, and the depth of the hole depends on how much material you have. And I also put some rocks on top, so the leaves don't fly away. And it's nice to put a lot of leaves on top, because it keeps the bugs, and I don't know, there's a lot of cats here in Greece, everything away from it, because it's very nutritious, it's very good food for them. And but also it's not earth on top, so it makes the oxygen actually go to the organic materials, so they're able to compost. So this is super awesome, guys. Like, in a few weeks this will be part of earth, and this earth will be so rich in nutrients. So when I dig the hole, I can see a lot of worms in this earth. So worms actually speed up the process. So if you have a compost bin at home, it's nice to do it with worms, because it's food for them. So the process is much more quicker. So that's it, guys. Composting is super easy, and it's super fun and awesome. It's awesome to see how it turns out. And I'll totally make sure to show you guys how I do in my house, because I actually use that material to put on plants. So here it goes directly to the earth. I don't take it anywhere, but in my house I do that in a vase, and I use that as a fertilizer. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please don't forget to leave it a thumbs up. It helps me so much. And leave it in the comments below if you compost, if you do not. And I just want to say that before this, I didn't have like a green area in the ground floor of my apartment, so I used to live somewhere else, but I lived near a park, so I would put all of the organic waste here in this jar, and then I would bring to the park and do the same thing. So if you don't have this green area in the ground floor of your apartment building, maybe you have a park nearby that you can do that, so that would be so awesome. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next video. Bye.